Sixth grade theory test, question number 15. You can tell probably on your video that it's getting a little bit darker in here. See if I can focus some light on this a little bit better. It's the very end of a long teaching day, but I would love to get these finished for you guys. So here we go. Question number 15. In the musical example below, circle the interval of a minor third in measure 3. Remember to check the key signature. And B, label the subdominant triad by writing 4 under the triad that is subdominant. So these aren't worth a great deal, but they're basically a review. They're the same concept from earlier questions. So remember when we calculated the minor third, there was an earlier question on the test. You can go back and look at those. The minor third is a third. It's got 3 half steps in it. Enormous fingers there. And the major third has 4. And remember that you can double check that if you forget by thinking C to E, right? I don't have my little thing in front of me at the moment, but you'd have C to E is a major third. So if you remember that, you'd have C to C sharp is a 1 half step. C sharp to D is 2. D to D sharp is 3, and then D sharp to E is 4. So that's 4 half steps, and that's major, so the minor third has only 3. Make sure that it's the minor third in measure 3, so measure 1, 2, 3. Where is the minor third? You have to look at the key signature because one of these notes is flat. There's B flat and E flat. And they might be flat. I guess there isn't one that's flat in this case. I saw another flat over there that doesn't exist. End of the day, right? So double check and make sure that none of these are flat. That would change your intervals, right? And then see where is the minor third, okay? And really we have it in, here's F to A, so let's calculate that. F to F sharp. F sharp to G, G to G sharp to A. Uh-oh, not a minor third. So that's not it. Not it, not it. This is only a step. Here's E flat to C. That's about all we've got left because that's certainly not a third. E flat to C. So we've already calculated that one really, right? Because C to E natural is a major third, so we'd circle the minor third. So be really, really careful because this one stands out as being the third, but it's not the minor third, okay? Now the B part, label the subdominant triad. So remember that subdominant is like subway. It's under, okay? It runs under something. So the subdominant is the step under dominant, and dominant is 5. So we're looking for the 4 chord, right? What key are we in? We go to the last flat, which is E flat, and then we go up 1 letter, okay? So that would be, wait a second. No, my brain is so tired. Hang in there with me, guys. You go back 1 flat, so last flat, then back. This is the key of B flat major. Okay, B flat major, so here we have B flat chord. So the 4 chord that we're looking for would be B flat, C, D, E, F. If this one is 5, this one is 4, and this one is 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking for the chord that's E flat. Not it, E flat, E, but it's an E and a C, so that doesn't work because the E flat chord would have E flat, G, B flat in it, right? Because it's the triad that we're looking for, so we'd have can't have a C in it. F, F. And if this is confusing, review other parts of the test, right? Because we've talked about this before. Here we have E flat, G, B flat. So we're going to label that as the 4 chord. We got it, okay? If you write this on your test, that's fine. Just remember that they will make you erase it, okay? Don't erase your answer, just erase the way you got to the answer.